In this video, I'll show you how to delete product reviews in WooCommerce. And as an example, let's take a look at this product on my site, Coffee Table. As you can see, it has 3 reviews right here. Let's go ahead and delete them. As usual, make sure to be logged into your WordPress admin account, and then left side of the screen, hover on Products, and then select All Products. Now locate the product in question, in my case is this one, Coffee Table, and then select Edit. Once the product editor loads, at top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then make sure the reviews are enabled. Now scroll a bit down until you find the reviews section. It should be right here, and then select Show Comments. And here are the 3 reviews that are posted for this product. To delete the first one, hover on it, and then select Trash. Now let's repeat the same process for the other 2 reviews. So once again, hover, then select Trash, and same thing for the last one. As you can see, the reviews will move to trash. Now we need to permanently delete them. For that, under Products, click on Reviews. Then the Reviews page, click on the Trash tab, and select the reviews. Then click on Bulk Actions, delete permanently, and apply. Now let's go back to the Products page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, all the reviews have been successfully deleted. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.